Welcome to Constellation HR, Performance Support Systems. This training module will discuss how to begin to brainstorm and write your own goals for review with your manager, as well as write goals to assign to your employees. It will also discuss responsibilities within the system as a manager. As a manager in the system, you will have additional responsibilities, including create and assign own goals for your employees, brainstorm your own goals, track employee progress over the year, and at the end of the year, complete a performance review on each employee. First, we'll start to talk about goals. Why have goals? It's been proven consistently that goals help organizations to improve performance, reinforce strengths, and provide feedback from management. Constellation HR allows employees to develop their own goals to submit for approval to managers. This gives you a good opportunity to brainstorm goals for the upcoming year. Creating goals, especially for yourself, is not an easy task. Here are a few steps to make goal creation easier. Step 1. Identify the accomplishments for the position. Accomplishments are the value-added results you leave behind after you go home at night. These are the contributions you make to the organization that results from your activities. Accomplishments are outputs of work, value-added contributions, and end results. Once you have a list of accomplishments, you can move forward to defining the desired outcomes of the accomplishments. Identify measures for each accomplishment. Now that you have defined and prioritized the accomplishments of your position, the next step is to identify what is important to measure. There are 5 general categories of measures. Quantity, how much, a rate or a volume. Quality, how well, an accuracy or completeness. Cost, how much, cost limits the employee has to work within or budgets. Timeliness, when and deadlines by which the accomplishment must be completed. Or descriptive, a clear description of the desired outcome. In Constellation HR, all goals are predefined. In terms of predefining a goal, a definition needs to be created for meeting and exceeding expectations. Why? This way your manager can inspect what they expect. So at the end of the period, there will not be any surprises. It will be clear whether the goal has been met, exceeded, or not met at all. The goal is to avoid managers and employees from coming to separate conclusions regarding the results of the goal. With defining the results in the beginning, as an employee, you will know exactly what is expected to achieve your goals. Make your best attempt at defining the meeting and exceeding expectations. All goals need to be approved by your manager. Thus, you do not have to worry about finalizing them at this time. However, you must submit them to review for your manager. Attached with the welcome email is a user guide. To review how to use the system, please reference the attached user guide. This document will give you step-by-step instructions on how to use all of the features within Constellation HR. Should you run into any technical problems or issues, please email questions, concerns, or comments to support@Constellation HR. Constellation HR is dedicated to making the software as user-friendly as possible, so any suggestions or comments will be appreciated and taken into consideration.